Dear students, welcome to maths class. We have started this chapter expansions. We are here for solving some applications of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So let's get started with our first example. So here first of all we will read the statement. If z plus 1 upon z is equals to 7, find the value of z square plus 1 upon z square. And number 2 is z raised to power 4 plus 1 upon z raised to power 4. So now what we will do, in the beginning we will write here whatever is given to us. So z plus 1 upon z is equals to 7 is given to us. Now first step is that we have to square both sides. So squaring both sides means we have to put the brackets, right? So we have to put the bracket and whole square this, right? And z plus 1 upon z whole square is equals to 7 whole square. So now when you will put the bracket here and you will get whole square, that means it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Alright, so you have to write the formulas side by side. So to the right hand side you will write here apply a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now where a is equals to what? Z, and b is equals to what? 1 upon z. Alright, so now here you will put the identity here, that is a square means z square, plus means plus, b square means 1 upon z square, so 1 upon z square, plus 2ab means no sign between them, so 2 multiply a multiply b, so 2 multiply z multiply 1 upon z is equals to 7 sevens are 49, right? So next step is square of z is z square, square of 1 upon z square is 1 upon z square. So now this z can be cut because they are in fraction, right? So we can cutting is possible in cross or up and down, so we can cut these z. So we are left with now only 2. So plus 2 is equals to 49. Alright. So now students, you can see that this plus 2 is here and is equals to 49. So we don't need this plus 2 here because we need the values of z square plus 1 upon z square. So that means we can shift this to the right hand side. So when you will change this plus 2 to the next side, that means this will change into minus. Plus will change into minus. So here you will write z square plus 1 upon z square is equals to 49 minus 2. So z square plus 1 upon z square is equals to 49 minus 2 will be 47. So this is the first part that we had to solve and we got the answer. Now what we need to do, now the second part is that we have to find the values for z raised to power 4 plus 1 upon z raised to power 4, right? For solving our second part, what we will do, we will square the answer we got from the first part. We will square the both sides, right? So this is the answer we got from the first part. We have to squaring both sides. So when you will square both sides, so it will look like this: z square plus 1 upon z square, that means whole square, is equals to 47 whole square. So now again it is in the form of what? A plus b whole square. So you will apply here a square, that means z square ka square, plus 1 upon z square whole square plus 2ab, that means z square plus multiply by 1 upon z square. Now again this z square can be cut with this z square. So now which is equals to 47 square is equals to 2209, that means 2209. So now z squares, what is the square of z square? It will be z raised to power 4. Now 1 square will be 1 and z square will be z raised to power 4. So you will get 1 upon z raised to power 4. And here plus 2 is equals to 2209. So now we need the value of z raised to power 4 plus 1 upon z raised to power 4. That means we don't need plus 2. So you will shift this plus 2 to the right hand side. So when you will shift, it will change into minus because plus will change into minus. So by subtracting them, you will get here 2207. So this is the exact answer for the second part, that is z raised to power 4 plus 1 upon z raised to power 4 is equals to 2207. That is 2207. Right? So now move to the next example. So here we will read the statement first. If z minus 1 upon z is equals to 5, find the value of, first part is z square plus 1 upon z square. Second part is z raised to power 4 plus 1 upon z raised to power 4. Alright. So now again we are writing here given whatever is given to you, z minus 1 upon z is equals to 5. So now what is the first step? The first step is to squaring both sides. So we will square the both side, that is z minus 1 upon z whole square is equals to 5 square. So now you can see, you can correlate this statement with the identity, that is a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Alright, where a is equals to z, b is equals to 1 upon z. So you have to apply this identity over here. A square means z square plus b square means 1 upon z square minus 2ab means minus 2z into 1 upon z is equals to 25. So now z and z can be cut here. So you are left with z square plus 1 upon z square minus 2 is equals to 25. So now this minus 2 we don't need here. So you will shift to the right hand side. So now when you will shift this minus, it will change into plus. So you will have z square plus 1 upon z square is equals to 25 plus 2, which is equals to 27. Alright, so you got the value z square plus 1 upon z square is equals to 27. So now what we need to do, we have to solve the second part, that means z raised to power 4 plus 1 upon z raised to power 4. For solving this, we have to square this again. That means we have to squaring both sides. So when you will square this, you will have z square plus 1 upon z square whole square is equals to 27 square. So again, this is in the form of what? It is in the form of a plus b whole square. So now that you will apply the identity here, that is a square, that means what? Z square. Z square squared, that means z raised to power 4. Similarly, 1 upon z square. So whenever you will square this 1 upon z square, you will get 1 upon z raised to power 4 plus 2ab. That means 2 multiplied z square multiplied by 1 upon z square. So you can cut them, right? So now you are left with z raised to power 4 plus 1 upon z raised to power 4 plus 2 is equals to 729. So you don't need this plus 2 because we need only this value, right? So you will shift it to the right hand side. So now this plus will change into minus. You will get here 729 minus 2. So the answer will be z raised to power 4 plus 1 upon z raised to power 4 will be equals to 727, right? So students, these were very easy examples. Now I hope all of you are able to do the related homework that we have sent you in your SNAP homework. But before starting your homework, student, please go through the YouTube links because all these links are very helpful for you for understanding these type of concepts in a very easy way. Thank you.